everyone, a very warm welcome to WsCube Tech. So guys, in our previous session we have covered that how we can update the data. Suppose if our data is old in our database and if we want to update it with a new data, how we can update that data, how we can update one single data and how we can update multiple data at a time. So we have learned that in our previous session. In our today's session, we will be talking about a limit query. So guys, what is limit query over here is that if you want to obtain the first few data or if you want to obtain data regarding some information, then how you can obtain that kind of data, we will be using the limit function for that. So let's have a look on how does a limit work. So for that, first of all, let's import PyMongo. I'll be writing import PyMongo, and after that we will be building the connection over here between the client and the PyMongo. So we have client is equals to PyMongo dot Mongo client, and here I'll be passing the two parameters that we have localhost and not just local but the localhost, and we have 27017, that is our port number. Next thing that we have over here is that we have to define our database. So db is equals to, here I'll be writing client, and in the square brackets I'll be passing company, and here we will be writing collection is equals to db, and in the square brackets I'll be writing employee data. Okay, so the next thing that we have to do over here is we have to obtain the data, but how we have to obtain? By fixing a limit over here. Let's say I just want to obtain first three data. In that case, what I'll be doing, I'll be using a for loop that for I in collection dot find, and after find I'll be using dot limit. Limit will define that till which limit we want the data. So if we want 3, then I'll be writing 3 here, and I'll be writing colon, and I'll be writing print and print x and print I. So now let's run and see. As soon as I'll run it, so I'll be obtaining the starting 3 data over here, that is John, David and Lucy. As if you go to your database as well, the first 3 data over here is John, David and Lucy here. Similarly, we have more data. If you want to obtain 5 data, in that case we will be writing 5, and we'll be getting the starting first 5 data. So similarly, this is how the data is coming right now, that we have obtained 5 data. But what if I want the first 2 data of all the people who are in IT? Okay. In that case, what I'll be doing in the find, I'll be writing branch. So I'll be defining a dictionary here, that where the branch is equal to IT, I want the limit of 2. Okay, so I want 2 people from the IT branch, and as soon as I'll run it, you will now see that we have 2 people, that is John and Lucy from IT. And if I go to MongoDB, I guess there are 3 people over here, but we have obtained 2 only because of the limit that we have provided. So here we have John, Lucy, Maria. Yeah, these 3 people are there in our IT, but we have received only 2 because we have given the limit of 2 here. So this is how you can define the limit. Like, you can just simply write that till what limit you want the data, and you can also write that suppose if you want to give a condition, that based on this condition give me a limit of 5 people. So suppose if you're working in a company and you just want okay, whosoever is in IT branch, and I just want 5 people from you. So in that case, you can simply write that in the branch IT limit is 5 people, and randomly 5 people, not randomly but the starting 5 values will be obtained over here. So this is how basically our limit function works. So I hope guys that you have no doubts and no questions. In our next session we will be talking about create index. So stay connected guys, and I'll be seeing you in the next session. Thank you.